Artificial intelligence in the education. The future is here. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, in their own style, powered by artificial intelligence. From automating tasks to personalizing content, AI is not just the future, it's already here. Let's explore how AI is creating a new age of education. AI analyzes each student's strengths and weaknesses to tailor lessons, quizzes, and feedback just for them. Meet your 24/7 tutor, AI chatbots and learning assistants that help you anytime, anywhere. Text-to-speech, instant translations, and smart reading tools, AI breaks language and learning barriers. No, AI will assist, not replace. Teachers will evolve into mentors, guiding creativity, emotion, and ethics. Data privacy, equity in access, and overdependence on machines are real concerns we must solve. When AI and educators work together, learning becomes limitless. What do you think? Will AI improve education or harm it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know your opinion in the comments below.